When it comes to building a better financial future, setting clear goals is non-negotiable. PocketGuard gives you powerful, specific tools right within the app to make those savings dreams a reality. The core tool for this is the Goals feature. This isn't just a place to write down a wish, it's an actionable plan. PocketGuard lets you create both external goals, which are linked directly to a bank account, and manual goals for tracking savings not held in a linked account, like cash or an external investment. For every goal, you utilize the SMART framework: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. You name your goal, set a target amount, and importantly, you set a due date. This structure helps keep you focused and accountable. Once the details are entered, the app's SMART algorithm kicks in. It calculates the planned monthly contribution required to hit your target by the deadline you set. Even better, it cross-references this with your budget and income, telling you whether that contribution actually fits your monthly budget, ensuring your goals are realistic. PocketGuard keeps you on track with automatic progress tracking. For external goals, it monitors the linked account balance. For manual goals, you contribute transactions as you save. The app provides goal statuses and notifications to alert you if you're falling behind schedule or not contributing enough, allowing you to make quick adjustments. Beyond savings, the app offers a dedicated debt payoff plan tool. This functions like a goal setter for becoming debt-free, analyzing your loans and creating a strategy, often using methods like the debt snowball or avalanche, to guide your payments and minimize interest paid over time. All these features work together, ensuring your goals are integrated into your overall spending plan.